Well, thanks for joining me again today. I'll be running through a couple of the different modules within Jira Service Management. And today what I'll be looking at is the Incident Management module and the Change Management module. So how prepared are you to respond to a major incident? Atlassian believes that establishing a strong incident management process is critical to reducing the impact of the incident and restoring services quickly. In fact, Forrester has found that 70% of incident response time is spent within the investigation and diagnosis phases. Jira Service Management offers a collaborative and proactive approach for teams to plan, respond, and learn from every incident. Atlassian's solution brings all the context and data you need to resolve an incident right in your ITSM tool. First, Jira Service Management makes it easy for internal customers or employees to report an incident in the Service Desk portal. Some incidents may also come in from monitoring systems or signals from over 200 integrations such as Datadog, Sumo Logic, and Nagios. Agents monitoring the queues in Jira Service Management can link related incidents and then create a major incident right from the Service Desk. Jira Service Management's major incident capabilities are powered by OpsGenie, which provide a dedicated place for development and operations teams to swarm on a major incident. Flexible on-call schedules, routing rules, and escalation policies ensure you never miss a critical alert or major incident and avoid burnout by sharing responsibility and bringing together the right team members at the right times. Notifications are triggered across multiple channels such as SMS, chat, mobile push notifications, voice calls, or email. As you're working to resolve an incident, it's important to maintain trust with stakeholders. Atlassian's native status page integration ensures that customers who need to know are notified when there's an incident in real time. Customers can also subscribe to this page to be updated in whatever way they prefer. And the Jira Service Management portal is also updated with the status page status. This helps you deflect incoming incidents related to the current incident, thus keeping your agents focused on fixing the incident versus responding to customers. During incident investigation, team collaboration is important. The Command Center makes it easy to jump on a video call with teammates and create a dedicated Slack channel to get a real-time view into the incident. You can keep track of everything happening around the incident with an auditable event timeline. To view any recent deployments or incidents on the service that may have caused the incident, Atlassian's native Bitbucket integration shows individual commits, who deployed it, and allows you to roll back the change. Finally, make sure your team records and learns from the incident. You can create a post-mortem report and export it directly into Confluence through a standardized template that your entire team can update and reference. This is a great way to build accountability and transparency across your organization. So let's now move into the change management module. Practicing change management is important to coordinate between teams and address regulatory requirements. But collaboration can be difficult across teams with different priorities. Shipping fast can feel at odds with reliability. Here are some challenges that Atlassian has heard. Change management is slow. Heavyweight approval processes can slow down work, especially in a dynamic environment when shipping value to customers faster is critical for success. Friction between dev and ops. Change management is likely the area where the friction between dev and ops teams is the highest. Dev teams want to ship fast and often, while ops teams need to ensure reliability. The risk of not innovating fast enough. If organisations worry too much about incidents, it can stifle innovation. This requires a shift in mindset to thinking about the right balance between risk and innovations. So how can you improve the flow of changes? Atlassian believes that change management needs to evolve to be more efficient and adaptable to meet modern needs. Instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, pre-approvals and automation can provide more speed and flexibility without compromising on risk. Here's where the risk assessment engine in Jira Service Management comes in. It acts as a sorting station, assessing change requests as they flow from dev into IT ops. You can configure rules so that low-risk changes are auto-approved and deployed, while high-risk changes are immediately routed to the right teams for review and approval. But what about those medium-risk changes? Those changes that are slightly more risky but don't require a full manual review. With Jira Service Management, your IT ops team can set up more advanced rules and workflows to let a change soak first to minimize risk. And what is soaking? Simply put, they get to conditionally approve a change and to push it to a lower tier environment. If there aren't any incidents in a set period of time, it automatically gets pushed to production. It's like a band playing an unreleased song at a private show before they take it to the big stage. With Jira Service Management, Atlassian is building amazing connections between different members of a modern operations band across dev and IT ops. With the self-service portal, Jira Service Management offers a convenient way to submit change requests. The request form allows you to configure questions and data needed to assess the risk of the change and automatically calculate the risk level and set the appropriate risk value. Confluence brings the IT team together to plan changes collaboratively. Multiple teams can work together to create change documents using templates, provide peer review and feedback, and iterate in real time until the change is implemented. When it comes to approving changes, streamline change management by automating standard changes. The new risk assessment engine can quickly score risks and automatically approve and deploy low-risk changes. For changes that require additional approval, Jira Service Management brings together all the context and information that a change manager needs to approve the change, along with information about the change, affected services from Insight CMDB, risk scores from the risk engine, and change approvers. If your team practices DEVOPS, integrations with popular CI/CD tools allow developers to track the progress of the request without leaving the CI/CD tool. Once the change is approved, Jira Service Management automatically ungates the deployment and pushes the change into production. So that's it for incident and change. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for joining me and take the opportunity to have a look at the other modules as well. Bye-bye.